So at this stage of the project, all of your foundation should be set in place. And now it's time to just spend a little bit of extra time cleaning it up a little bit. Now, you might have some overspill from where the hot glue has melted through either side. You can use your fingernail, you can use like a little part of a ruler or something to scrape those edges out and get all that hot glue, that melted glue out of the way there. And what you can do as well is spend some time with your sandpaper and clean up the rest of this project now. So you might have noticed maybe when you run your finger across a seam, it might not be perfectly flat. So grab your bit of sandpaper, give it a light sand and make those nice and smooth. You might have also noticed how flush they are at the sides here. Flush means when you have one piece of wood lined up with another piece of wood and the edges are nice and smooth and even. Okay, that's what flush means. But you might have noticed that they're not flush here. Again, a bit of sandpaper on the sides, give them a nice good clean up, and you can get this looking really, really nice. So you want to spend your time here neating it all up, sand down all those areas that you notice that aren't quite nice, and get this looking really good. I like to sand down the whole tops of these. So I like to sand this whole top down, make it nice and even, nice and smooth. Get any of those splinters out of there and make it look really nice. So I was using the 130 grit for this, and then you can go over afterwards if you'd really like and get it really nice, clean it up with the 320 grit and get this looking really good, okay? The reason why we want this to be nice and smooth and even is because the next stage to this is paint, okay? We're actually going to paint all of the base and these foundation strips all the way around here, okay? We're going to paint it grey to match concrete. We're going to make it look like concrete, okay? So just like any paint prep, sanding is key, okay? So spend your time sanding it down. And then once you've done that, upload some photos so we can take a look at your work, and then we can move on into your next phase. Okay?